Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys, and today in this particular video I will talk about Fiverr affiliate marketing. If you are beginner, if you are new and you want to make money without any kind of investment or inventory or any shipment hurdles, you can check my playlist on Fiverr affiliate marketing. So you will understand that how you will make money online without any kind of investment. And the good thing is in affiliate marketing, you will require no inventory, no investment. Or in Fiverr affiliate marketing, you will give no services as a freelancer. You will promote freelancers to someone, and when someone will buy some particular service from your affiliate link, you will get commission. The minimum commission rate is $15 and the maximum is $150. I will explain you in this video. Guys, I have already created a playlist. As I said that you can check it and you will find amazing methods. You can check even my earnings. You can check multiple methods without any kind of investment. I will not recommend you to go for some investment, because if you are beginner, you will require to earn money online without any kind of investment. Or if you are beginner, this is the best platform to earn money online, because there are many platforms like Amazon affiliates and JVZoo and multiple clickbank. But Fiverr affiliate is a actually Digistore 24 as well, but Fiverr affiliate is a beginner friendly and very easy to use. Guys, the good thing is commissions are so good. $150 for pro gig and minimum commission rate are $15, and there are multiple categories. You can earn $30, $40, $50 per task per gig, guys. But in this video I will tell you something that I already created, and I create videos to show you screen. Okay, but in this video I will not take you to my screen, because I will figure out some mistakes that people are doing and I will give you the solution. As for example, I have received some messages on Instagram and people are earning thousands of hundreds and thousands of dollars. Let's suppose a person messaged me and he earned $200. The other person sends me a message at $300 and $400. That's good. That's so amazing, and I am happy for those who are earning after watching my at least videos. But the people who are not earning from a Fiverr affiliate marketing, so this video is for only for those guys. For example, if you are promoting some service to some person and the person is not interested in your particular service, you cannot sell your service to them. The affiliate marketing fundamental is to target the audience that are interested in your particular service or product. So let's suppose if you are giving them some service solution. Let's suppose if someone is finding graphic designer, so you will help them to find good rating and best graphic designer on Fiverr. That's it. If some person finds that particular graphic designer, I'm just giving you the example for graphic designer, you can promote multiple services at same time. The services which are appearing on Fiverr, the category page, you will find a lot of services. So you will simply promote that services easily without asking anyone. Let's suppose if you are interested to promote SEO services, digital marketing services, social media services, graphic designer services, or AI services, which is actually newly introduced by Fiverr. The good thing is you will not work as a freelancer, you will give services as a affiliate marketer. Guys, the first thing is your target audience. Your target audience must be you cannot promote uh, your Fiverr services to anyone that are not interested. You will figure out, you will find the people who are searching for that particular service, pinch them, give them solution, and tell them this is the best Fiverr freelancer which has 5 ratings, good reviews, pro gigs, level 2 seller, like this. Okay, so they will build, you will build the trust of that particular freelancer to other person, and the person is already searching that particular service, but you are just giving them the solution to help them to find that particular freelancer. The role of your affiliate link should be give the value and solution to someone who are already searching. So in the reward, you will simply get the commission $15 to $150 from Fiverr. Guys, I make English videos, but there are many audience in my on my YouTube channel that are related to Urdu and Hindi. I am so confused in these days that what should I do? There are a lot of people who cannot understand Urdu or Hindi. That's why I am making videos. My all videos are on uh, English language. So guys, but there are a lot of people who are watching my videos. They belongs to Urdu Hindi language. So I will I am just asking you a suggestion to give me that what should I do to help more for Urdu Hindi audience and for English language audience. Guys, because my all videos is in English language, and multiple audience watching my videos on YouTube, and I really appreciate them. To they earn money, they get knowledge from me. And guys, I have spent at least 5 to 6 year in the online field. I belongs to IT field, and actually I started this work few years ago, and I implemented a lot of methods. That's why I'm telling you this tips. So I have already created a playlist on DG Store 24. That is already a very big beginner friendly platform. You will earn from DG Store 24, and the commissions are so good. Guys, if you give me suggestions to make videos on keep in English, please comment me and tell me that should I continue my videos in English language, or if you want me to create videos on Urdu Hindi languages as well, comment me. So I will focus your comments, and I will figure out that should I make in English or Urdu or Hindi. Okay, so the purpose of this channel is to give you solutions, values, and enable you to make money online without investment, without any kind of inventory. And I know there are many people are beginner, they don't have investment, but they want to make money online. I i am here to give you the solution. Guys, I'm repeating again, Fiverr affiliate marketing is for beginners. Start it and start earning. Okay, or you can check my playlist on Digistore 24. You can easily earn money with Digistore 24 as well. But I will not recommend a beginner to jump on that particular method like e-commerce. People are doing e-commerce, but they fail. Many people, the success ratio is not that much good on E-commerce means people sell their products to someone, buy inventory, they get shipment hurdles, and there are a lot of things. Okay, so but the end up, if you fail, you will be not successful in the e-commerce, and you will lose your money. But in affiliate marketing, the good beauty of affiliate marketing is you will require no kind any kind of investment, any kind of inventory, no problem. If someone is not buying your service from your affiliate link, you will not get any kind of loss. Okay, but someone will, if someone will buy service from your affiliate link, you will get commission. The You will be in the profit at any cost. So guys, till now, um, take care, and I will give you I will upload a new video in upcoming days on more methods. So tell me in the comments, should I make videos in English or start in Urdu or Hindi? Okay, so till now, take care and goodbye.